Okay, so quickly I'm going to show you how to make a cumulative frequency table. And I did this using Excel. I think it's probably the easiest way. You can do it in Microsoft Word, but for me, I always have to mess around with the formatting, so I prefer Excel. You want to set up your ranges, your frequency of the values, and your cumulative frequency. Remember in Excel, if you highlight all of them right here and then you double click, automatically adjust to the width that we need. My ranges are from 0 to 15, from 15 to 20, from 20 to 25. We're using the same notation that they use in your book. 25, you can get the pattern here, just intervals of 5. And all the way up to 40. My frequencies are 0, 1, 10 values between 20 and 25, 6 values between 25 and 30, 4 between 30 and 35, and just 1 between 35 and 40. I think these are actually my BMI weights from the example. In order to get the cumulative frequency, well, the first one is just whatever's there. That's easy. And then really it's the frequency plus whatever the sum was before. So with 1, it's just equal to this plus that. Now I don't know if you notice what I did in the formula bar here, but I'm setting it up so that it'll automatically do it for me. The next one should be this plus this, but if I click and drag down here, it automatically does it for me and adjusts. In fact, if I keep going, I can see all the way. Now the cool thing about a cumulative frequency is the total is the last thing. If I wanted to find the sum here, I could use my formulas again, equals sum, double click there. And it tells me that I have a sum of 22, which we already knew using the cumulative frequency. Now if I want to get this into Microsoft Word, I'll delete those because I don't need it. What I need to do is make this a little bit, I like to make the font a little bigger. But to make sure the table looks, oops, see now it messed that up again, so I'll just go fix that. I gotta select them all there. Okay, I like to put a border around them. So if I select there and then I go up here and I put this little border, it's gonna make it look like a nice table and I'll have thick black lines rather than the blue ones. I found that if you insert a column and you just kind of have no spaces around here, it'll just help out with your, yeah, okay, that guy's gonna show up. It just helps out make the table look a little nicer. So from here I just take a screenshot, print screen, and then I go to Microsoft Word document and paste it in. And there it is. From here, you can see everything that I got going on. So I double click because we don't want all that, and I just go back to crop, just like you've seen before. And then I try to get it exactly on the table. I don't like to cut off the black lines because then it just doesn't look as good. But if you put too close, you'll see the blue lines as well. And so that's pretty good. I can see up at the top, I actually have that paintbrush that I couldn't get rid of. And so I'll crop that a little bit. There you go. There's your cumulative frequency chart as done on Excel.